How to fix Roblox not launching in your Windows PC. So hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to address the issue of Roblox not launching in your Windows PC. So here are first some of the troubleshooting methods which you can try. First, whenever launching Roblox, whenever you search for Roblox, make sure that you try to run it as an administrator. So for that, simply search Roblox in the search bar and then right click onto it, or you can use these options as well. And from here, choose run as administrator. If a dialog box appears, click onto the yes option because sometimes it's a permission issue due to which Roblox is not able to launch without an administrator access. So make sure you run it as an administrator. Even if that does not work for you, what you can do is head on to the settings of your Windows computer and then from here click onto apps. Now within apps, click installed apps and within the installed apps, simply search for Roblox if you can't find it in the list. Then once you will simply search for Roblox, you can see this is the Roblox right here. Click onto these three dots and from here choose advanced options. Now within the advanced options, you can see this option of background app permissions. From here, you can try to change it to always and then see if it works or not. Or apart from that, you can try to terminate the session and then restart your Roblox. If that does not work, try using this repair option with this particular feature will try to repair your application, although the app's data will not be affected, so your logins and everything will be safe. If that does not work, try resetting the app because if the app isn't working right, you can reset it. The app's data will be deleted. This means you will need to log in again. Then, if that does not work, one of the final resorts remain that you try to uninstall your Roblox and try to reinstall it, and hopefully, one of these methods will fix your issue that you're facing. So, that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.